Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'll show you how to adjust microphone sensitivity in Windows 10 so you can get the perfect audio for calls, recordings, or gaming. Step 1. Go to your desktop and make sure you can see your taskbar clearly. This will help you access all the system icons easily. Step 2. At the bottom right corner of your screen, locate the sound icon that looks like a small megaphone and right-click on it. This opens quick options for your audio settings. Step 3. From the menu that appears, click on Sound Settings, which takes you to the main audio settings where you can manage input and output devices. Step 4. In the Sound Settings window, click on Control Panel under Related Settings. This opens a more detailed settings window for advanced adjustments. Step 5. In the new window, go to the Recording tab. Here, you'll see all the microphones and recording devices connected to your computer. Step 6. Find and select the microphone you are currently using. Selecting it ensures you are adjusting the correct device for your needs. Step 7. Click the Properties button at the bottom right of the window. This opens a dedicated menu with detailed settings for your microphone. Step 8. In the Microphone Properties window, click the Levels tab. This section allows you to control the input volume and any boost applied to your microphone. Step 9. Adjust the microphone volume and boost sliders according to your preference. Start with moderate settings and test your audio to avoid distortion or loud clipping. Step 10. Once you're happy with the adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. Your microphone sensitivity is now set and ready for clear audio capture. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.